Hello everybody. Today we will learn one more problem. If alpha and beta are the zeros of a quadratic polynomial, f of x is equals to kx square plus 4x plus 4 such that alpha square plus beta square is equals to 24. Find the value of k. But before I start the problem, once again I would like to request you people to share my video, like my video, and please post the comments. And those who are interested for online tuition, please mail me to this ID Madan Belluri BELLURI @gmail.com. I will put this mail ID even in the description also. So now coming to the problem, f of x is equals to kx square plus 4x plus 4 is the given polynomial. Just compare this one with our original quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. So here a is equals to k, b is equals to 4, c is equals to 4. Next, what did he give? Given zeros is equals to alpha comma beta. Now sum of zeros is equals to alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a, that is minus 4 by k. So here next one, product of zeros is equals to alpha beta, that is c by a. So here it is c is 4 by a is k. And the next one here it is given alpha square plus beta square is equals to 24. Now let us forget about this problem and let us see which formula is having a square plus b square in its expansion. So here if you take a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Next, a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Some students, what they will do is they will take any one of them and they will try to solve it. But here if you are taking the second formula, because if you take a as alpha and b as beta, alpha square plus beta square, so you may get alpha square plus beta square here as 24 given, and this is alpha beta 4 by k. But from where you will get alpha minus beta? We have only alpha plus beta. So even if you want to do by this method, again we have to use this formula. A minus b whole square is equals to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Okay, so if you use this formula again, then you can get the value whatever he is asking for. So but that is a very lengthy process. So what we do is we take the first formula and solve it. So a plus b whole square, so a plus b, that is alpha plus beta whole square is equals to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta is minus 4 by k whole square is equals to 24 plus 2 into alpha beta, it is 4 by k. Now here already in one of the videos we discussed about minus 4 whole square is nothing but minus 4 into minus 4 minus into minus, and here it is 4 into 4 minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16. But some students what they will do is minus 4 square minus 4 into 4 minus 16. So here we are not supposed to take this one, but we take this one because here the bracket is there for even minus 4 also. So we write it as minus 4 whole square by k square is equals to 24 plus 2 4s are 8 by k. Now here 24 can be written as 24 by 1. Now minus 4 whole square, it is 16 by k square. In the numerators, both the numbers are multiples of 8. So take 8 common. So we get 3 by 1 plus 1 by k. Because already 8 is there, 8 is nothing but 8 into 1. When you are taking 8 common, the leftover is 1. Okay. So now get this 8 here. So what do we get? So 16 by k square into 8 is equals to LCM for 1 and k will be k. So in 1 you will be getting 3 into k plus 1. So 8 ones are 8 twos are. So 2 by k square, k into k is equals to 3k plus 1 by k. So get this k here, 2 by k into k into k. So that is equals to 3k plus 1. K and k will get cancelled. So 2 by k is equals to 3k plus 1. Now cross multiply this k. So 2 is equals to k into 3k plus 1. So 3k already we discussed in one of our videos about the multiplicative distributive property. So what it says that a into a cross b plus c is equals to a cross b plus a cross c. So the same concept we are applying in the right hand side expression. So 2 is equals to k into 3k plus k into 1. So 2 is equals to 3k into k, 3k square plus k. So get this 2 here, 0 is equals to 3k square plus k minus 2. Now arrange them in a proper way. So 3k square plus k minus 2 is equals to 0. Now coefficient of k square is 3 and the constant including the sign we have to take. If it is positive, we take positive. If it is negative, we have to take negative. So plus into minus, minus 3 2s are 6. Now we have to select the factors on which by multiplying we get minus 6. So start writing in ascending order or from the number 1 itself. So that is, first let us start with 1. You maintain the sequence that the left one should be positive and the right one should be negative. So this is 1 into minus 6, that is minus 6, 2 into minus 3, so it is minus 6, 3 into minus 2, that is minus 6, 6 into minus 1, it is minus 6. Now, okay, here we are getting 4 pairs of factors where on multiplying them we get minus 6, okay, but that is not sufficient because when you add each pair, what do we get? We should get, here the coefficient of k is 1. When you add the numbers in each pair, you should get 1. So let us take first here 1 plus minus 6, 1 minus 6 minus 5, and here 2 plus minus 3, 2 plus into minus, minus 3, it is minus 1. So next 3 plus minus 2, 3 plus into minus, minus 2, it is 1. So coefficient of k here it is 1. So therefore the factors are 3 and minus 2. 3k square plus 3k minus 2k minus 2. is equals to 0. Okay. Now here k square is again 3k into k, 3k into k plus 3k, here minus 2k minus 2 is equals to 0. So take 3k and 3k common. So what do we get here? 3k into k plus, here the leftover one will be 1, and from these two we can take minus 2 common. So we get k plus 1 is equals to 0. So here k plus 1 into 3k minus 2 is equals to 0. Now product of two numbers, already in every video almost we are discussing this. If AB is equal to 0, then A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, or both of them are 0. So here we take k plus 1 is equals to 0, 3k minus 2 is equal to 0, k is equals to minus 1. When you get this minus 2 to the other side, it will become plus 2, and get this 3 here, k is equals to 2 by 3. So therefore value of k is equals to minus 1 or 2 by 3. Thank you.